State prosecutors have taken the case against the accused persons charged with the murder of Solo Sandeng to the High Court. It could be recalled that the accused persons formally denied charges on 2 counts of murder and conspiracy to commit a felony at the magistrate court. The case was, however, moved to the High Court, which has the jurisdiction to try capital offences. At today's hearing, prosecutors asked the court for more time to receive the case brief from police. Lead State Counsel Omi Dansu told the court that prosecution has made a request for the case file to be delivered in order to advise themselves on the matter. The defense, however, objected and challenged the motion to adjourn. Lead Defense Counsel C. Menon stated that investigations into the case are seemingly over as the accused persons were formally arraigned and charged at the lower court. The accused persons should be released on bail until prosecution is ready to proceed with the case, according to lawyer Menon. After hearing both parties, Justice Kumbasila Kamara granted the prosecution application for adjournment and advised them to liaise with the police in order to expedite the filing of the case brief and other procedures. The case was consequently adjourned to the 20th of March for hearing. Outside the court, a major drama unfolds as the accused persons were being escorted to the Mile 2 State Central Prisons. A row that almost turned hostile as families of both parties and spectators congregate at the High Court compound.
Very good family man who has always been there for his family. If we lose him in this manner, thinking, I can't sleep at night without maybe thinking I'm seeing him being tortured to death, you know, and then all those things. I think it's not only me, it's a lot of people who go through that in my family. We are a young family of 10 and we don't deserve this.
A demand for swift and ample justice by the daughter of the late political activist. His wife, Nima Sonko, also lamented similar sentiments. In a busy boulevard around Dipakunda, a quick turn on a road, a bus with local vendors will take you to the Sandeng family house in the area. At the Sandeng family house here in Dipakunda, a normal day unfolds. Here in Dipakunda, we are meeting Abbas Sandeng, the brother of the late Solo Sandeng. He's a carpenter, busily working at his workshop here inside the homestead.
He's a unique person in our family because Solo is a guy who is open. He has a clean heart, and then he is not somebody who is a hard guy. And he's responsible for most of our transactions in the family.
The late political activist is still remembered and continually celebrated in this area, and at the family home, people are still devastated and grief-stricken. Faru Fati and Mama Jabi, step-parents of the late Solo Sandeng, told GRTS their sorrow is deep and immeasurable, a constant reminder they have to digest on a daily basis. Our pain is inestimable. Every day, the tormenting pain of this great loss continues to overwhelm us. Only God Almighty understands our pain during these times, a clearly distraught Mama Jabi lamented. Beside her, Sandeng's grandmother, Fatu Fati, was lost for words. All eyes are now fixated on the ongoing case and the manner it unfolds as prosecution prepares to serve justice to the alleged killers of Solo Sandeng. Ibrahim Jata, GRTS.